Hello my fellow eggheads, today we're going to go over how to enable and disable USB wake support in your Dell BIOS settings. But anyway, let's get on to the repair. Okay, so first thing we do is hit the power button and start tapping on F2 immediately, just like so. And then it will indicate on the screen that I'm about to enter BIOS. Then once I'm actually in my BIOS settings, I am going to take my mouse and navigate down to Power Management, USB Wake Support, and then I will check the box that says Enable USB Wake Support if I want to enable it, and then I will hit Apply, just like so. So you would do the reverse of that. If you want to disable, you would uncheck, and then you would hit Apply. And once you hit Apply, it saves it, so you are free to exit, and it's just that simple. If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.